It's a glorious day here at Cabinet Joint. I'm Justin, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the features and benefits of the Aventos HK lift hinges that you see here. So what these hinges allow you to do, as you can see, instead of your typical opening side to side, this actually will lift it up. This is a premium option that allows you to do a couple of cool things. Oftentimes you'll see it on cabinets on top of a countertop like this one, which is why it has no bottom. And what it allows you to do is just keep your smaller appliances more accessible. So now you can just drag them out. There's no doors in the way of your counter, and it just flows and functions better. Another thing to note, by doing this, because of how wide this cabinet is, this would typically have to be two butt doors like you see here, but this allows it to be one solid door that just lifts straight up. Another place you'll see this often is on the top of a tall cabinet or a fridge cabinet. And in situations like that, once again, because it's such a wide space, it's a cleaner look just to have that one door there that lifts straight up. But really, you can use it in most cabinet door applications. As for the hinges, it comes with a cover plate on it, so you don't need to worry about any nasty looking mechanism, but it provides a clean, sleek look inside. And this is also soft close, and you can adjust the resistance depending on the weight of your door. As for the sizing of the door with these hinges, your door will at least need to be 7 inches tall, all the way up to 24 inches tall, and then 10 inches wide to 72 inches wide. As for weight, your door needs to be between 2 and 66 pounds, so it can hold quite a bit of weight. If you think that these Aventos hinges are the right option for you, or if you have any more questions about them, feel free to reach out to your cabinet coach, or you can call us at 888-211-6482. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.